Donald Trump knows very well that there is no white Afrikaner who's being killed in South Africa. It's a lie. Even if they come and kill us, it will remain a lie because no one is being killed in South Africa. The white killings I've seen is white people killing each other, partners, for inheritance. There is no black people who are killing white people as a political statement that we are now going to kill whites. There is no organization that represented that. The threat came from the FNB Stadium. When they saw EFF 10th anniversary, they started shaking, started working on a plan on how are we going to kill the EFF. They wanted to kill it on the 29th of May. Money came out after those rallies. Everything. Songa is a Zivi. He gets formed today. The following day he's got money to send SMSs. Don't vote EFF. He has no reason why. He was formed to come and stop the EFF. All of them, they get money from white capital which wants to kill the EFF. If you are destroying a branch of the EFF during the launch, you are working with Songezo Zibi, you are working with the Ruperts, you are working with white monopoly capital to destroy our organization, the organization of the poor, of the poor.